Okay, and there is really my spark plug. And then when we take this spark plug away, in here, this is really thin spark plug. And there is iridium head, really small head in there, and it is not possible to repair or clean, and that's we have to purchase just similar new spark plug. And because this Toyota is so high quality car and it is hybrid car, it needs just similar spark plug. And best way is to go to visit in Toyota dealership center, and they have in here this Denso's spark plug. It is just similar than that one. This is made in Japan, and this cost about $25 or 25 euros per piece. And this spark plug really lasts about this 70,000 miles without any issues. And then we go to look closer that what is this spark plug type. It is in here, this below this Denso text, it is FC151. It is maybe 5 or 6 HR and Cu9 and iridium. And then we can look that even closer, that what we can see. Okay, and now we can look closer, that if we can see better. There is firstly this Denso in here, and then FC. I think that this is 16, then HR, cell CU9, and there's also iridium text, and in that area, this metal belt, there is Denso Japan, and there's some other things, but this is this information, and this is really thin, these heads. And if you think that you purchase like some Champion or Bosch or any other brand's spark plug, don't do that. You have then later issues. Only Denso works 100+% well. Okay, and if you have any issues, go to Toyota dealership center and they will sell these high quality spark plugs to your Toyota. Okay, and then we install that back. Okay, and then spark plug replace. And this job and service is good to do within every 70,000 miles or 90,000 kilometers. And then your car runs smoothly, it consumes less gasoline, and it actually works and gives more power. And this job starts so that firstly we have taken out these ignition coils, and then we need some specific tools. We have to purchase this 14mm longer spark plug socket, 1.4mm, and then we might need this connector, because we need now long extension. These spark plugs are, this length is about 1 feet 30 centimeters, and look, this goes nicely in there, and it goes in this way very nicely in this position. And then I open the spark plug opening direction is in that way. It goes like anti-clockwise. It opens nicely. And now I rotate that spark plug. And this hole is really small, and that's use this thin. Okay, now no anything. Okay, and I little bend that. Okay, and now there is this spark plug in here, in this area. And then we go to look that spark plug closer. Okay, and then this spark plug installation back. This is really sensitive job, because if we drop that spark plug in this hard surface, then this spark plug, this small cap in here, can damage and go broken, and this makes then our engine run even stops, or our engine runs badly. And that's this job must be really carefully. We take that this magnetic socket we can purchase, and 14, and then we check that it is tight, and carefully I install that in here. And carefully it goes down, and then I little bit bend this surface, and everything is fine. I bend that, and then I rotate that in my fingers. And be also carefully that you don't drop anything in this hole, no any sand. And remember, this spark plugs, this rotation time was long, as we can see, about 50 turns. And now it stops in here, and then I can fasten and tight the spark plug about 10-20 Newton meters force, in that way. Do not over tight, because if we broke the spark plug, then we have really big issue. And now it is in position, excellent. And then I carefully lift these things down, and remember that if your socket is in this area, then you need big pliers. But in my case, everything went fine. And then I can install this my ignition coil back. And then this ignition coil installation back, this goes nicely in that phase. And then I press that down, and there is this locking bolt what goes nicely, and I can use my hand or electric driver, and then I tight this bolt about 20 Newton meters force, 10 to 20. Now it's well, excellent. And final part is to install this ignition coil connector back, and listen to sound in that way. Good. And we can look that connector sound again.